happy.
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Oh.
Sneeze.
Pineapples.
What?
Pineapples.
Do you like them?
Is that actually true? You got to think of them or say it. You say pineapples. Or you say it. Or you think about what? You say it.
Well, you know, a sneeze is like an orgasm.
What?
That's at 1/30th or something.
Yeah, because when I sneeze, my whole body goes...
Yeah,
it's clench.
I want you to sneeze on it. Sounds great. Imagine that is true,
One sec.
You got hay fever?
No.
Shame, it would mean a very orgasmic summer if you did.
How do you have time to say pineapples before you sneeze?